Login failed on Wallmine Fix. You open Wallmine to check your investment dashboard, and suddenly login failed. It's annoying, especially when you're trying to review your portfolio or research a stock. But the good news is, it's usually a simple fix. First, check your internet connection. Wallmine requires a secure and stable network to verify your login details. If you're on public Wi-Fi, try switching to your mobile network or a trusted private connection. Next, make sure you're entering your credentials correctly. Most login failures happen due to incorrect passwords or autofill errors. Manually type your email and password, and if you're unsure, use the forgot password link to reset them. Then, clear your browser or app cache. On Chrome, go to Settings, Privacy, clear browsing data, then remove cookies and cached files. If you're using the Wallmine app, uninstall and reinstall it to refresh your data. Another important step, check if Wallmine is updated. Older app versions or outdated browsers can create login conflicts. Always keep your software current for better security and stability. If you're using a Wi-Fi proxy or ad blocker, disable it temporarily. Wallmine may block logins from hidden or masked IP addresses for safety reasons. Finally, check for temporary server issues. Sometimes the problem isn't on your end at all. Wait a few minutes and try again. Wallmine may be doing maintenance or updates. So the next time Wallmine says login failed, just remember, check your internet, update the app, re-enter your password and clear your cache. In most cases, you'll be back to tracking your holdings and exploring financial data in no time.